morning. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home and spending good quality time with your family members. You don't go to school, so your study should not get disturbed. Let me introduce to you myself, Mehta, and now I am going to teach you about the body parts. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, lips, teeth, mouth, cheeks, chin, head, hair, hands, fingers. And now we'll see a video about the body parts and sing a rhyme with it. So shall we start?
This is my head, these are my ears, these are my eyes, this is my nose. These are my cheeks, this is my chin, this is my mouth, these are my teeth. This is my tongue, this is my neck, these are my shoulders and these are my hands. This is my elbow, this is my wrist, these are my fingers, this is my chest. This is my stomach, this is my thigh, this is my knee, this is my leg. This is my ankle, this is my foot, these are my toes and these are my body parts.
Hope you enjoyed the rhyme. And now, shall we do an activity with our sensory organ? Ear. We hear with our ears. And here I have some bottles for you with some different sounds. What is this? In this bottle, we have plastic granules which makes a loud sound. Can you hear them? We shake the bottle. In the next bottle, we have pista shells. This also makes a loud sound. We shake the bottle. Now, I will show you another bottle. In this bottle, there are thermocol balls and this makes a soft sound. Can you hear them? They are soft. Now, I am going to show you another bottle. They have bits of paper and it also makes a soft sound. So, today we learned about the loud sound and the soft sound. Now, I am going to show you both the differences, loud sound and soft sound. Shake, shake, shake the bottle, shake it if you can. Shake it loud and shake it soft, then we will do it again. Hope you enjoyed the activity. And now, we are going to do a rhyme, a beautiful rhyme. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Children, let's see the video and enjoy it.
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Roll your hands, roll your hands. Listen to the music and roll your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Turn around, turn around. and clap your hands. Roll your hands, roll your hands. Listen to the music and roll your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Clap your hands, clap your hands.